Picture this. It's evening in Rome. The sun dips below the ancient skyline, casting long shadows across the cobblestone streets. You find yourself at a small, dimly lit bar tucked away on a quiet side street. The air is thick with anticipation. The clinking of glasses and low murmur of conversation create an intoxicating symphony of sound. This, my friends, is the perfect setting to encounter a legend, the Negroni. The Negroni is not just a drink, it's an experience. A symphony of flavors, both bitter and sweet, dancing on your palate. It's a drink with a history as rich and complex as its taste. A drink that has stood the test of time, captivating generations with its bold character and timeless appeal. This evening we embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of this iconic cocktail. We'll delve into its intriguing past, explore its global domination, and uncover why it's considered a true test of a bartender's skill. And of course, I'll share my personal recipe so you too can savor the exquisite delight of a perfectly crafted Negroni. Every legendary cocktail has an origin story, a tale whispered across bars and passed down through generations of bartenders. The Negroni is no exception. Its history is as captivating as the drink itself, transporting us back to the bustling streets of early 20th century Florence. Our protagonist, none other than Count Camillo Negroni, a man of discerning taste and a penchant for adventure. Legend has it that the Count, a regular at Florence's Café Cassone, grew tired of his usual Americano cocktail. He yearned for something bolder, something with a bit more kick. One fateful day, the Count challenged the bartender, Fosco Scarselli, to elevate his Americano. His request was simple yet daring: replace the soda water with gin. Scarselli, never one to shy away from a challenge, accepted. He added a touch of orange peel to complement the gin's botanicals, and thus the Negroni was born. Word of this intriguing new cocktail spread like wildfire through Florence's vibrant social scene. The Negroni, with its perfect balance of bitter, sweet and herbaceous notes, quickly became a favourite among the city's stylish set. It wasn't long before the drink transcended borders, captivating palates from London to New York. Today, the Negroni enjoys a global reign as one of these most celebrated cocktails in the world. Walk into any reputable bar, from the dimly lit speakeasies of New Orleans to the rooftop terraces of Hong Kong, and you're sure to find the Negroni taking centre stage. It's a testament to the drink's timeless appeal and its ability to transcend cultural boundaries. But the Negroni's influence extends beyond the bar. It has become a cultural icon, inspiring countless variations, from the Negroni Spagliato, mistaken Negroni, to the white Negroni. It's even celebrated with its own Week Negroni Week, where bars and restaurants around the world pay homage to this legendary cocktail. So, why is the Negroni considered the ultimate test for a bartender? Well, it's all about balance. The Negroni, with its equal parts of gin, vermouth and Campari, requires precision and an understanding of flavours. It's a cocktail that leaves no room for error. Each ingredient must be measured accurately and mixed with care to achieve that perfect harmony. This is why many say, if you can make a great Negroni, you can make just about any cocktail. To craft a sublime Negroni, start with quality ingredients. Choose a gin with a robust botanical profile, a sweet vermouth that's rich and aromatic, and of course the iconic Campari. Now combine 1 part gin, 1 part vermouth and 1 part Campari in a mixing glass filled with ice. Stir gently for about 30 seconds to chill and dilute the mixture just a touch. Then strain into a rocks glass over a large ice cube. Finally, garnish with a fresh orange peel, expressing the oils over the drink before placing it in the glass. There you have it, a sublime Negroni, ready to be enjoyed. As we raise our glasses to the Negroni, let's remember its rich history and the artistry it represents. This timeless cocktail, with its perfect balance of bitter and sweet, continues to captivate enthusiasts around the world. So, here's to the Negroni. May it always remind us of the beauty and simplicity and the joy of a well-crafted drink. Cheers!